The goal with this activity is to really get a good upper back stretch, kicking the abs. If you got any restrictions, an external rotation, whether it's your shoulder or your hip, this move's for you. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to line your back, and you're going to bring one elbow to your knee, and you want these to be opposites. I'm going to press down gently. If you can't get your elbow to your knee, you could put a foam roller in between your elbow and your knee. Once you're here, you're going to take a breath fair in, exhale, so you get a little ab tension, and then you're going to roll towards the leg that's up. So I'm going to roll in this direction and inhale. As I do this, I'm also going to look up towards the ceiling. That's to maximize the stretch in your upper back. And then you'll come back to the start as on an exhale. So in total, it's going to look like this. Breathe in, exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, roll. Eyes up, exhale. Back to the start. As I'm rolling, you'll also notice I was doing some stuff with my down hand. As I'm rolling towards, I'm going to keep the palm up. As I'm exhaling, I'm going to twist and bring the palm down. So I'll go through that one more time. Breathe in. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, roll. Exhale, push and come up. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.